All right, Miss Slyman here with our 4.2 notes. These are on rational exponents. So here's just a summary of the rules from 4.1. Now we're going to look at rational exponents. So we're going to start with the basic one, 1 over n. So 4 to the 1/2, if you put that in your calculator, you're going to find out that it's 2. Well, that's because 2 squared, that's 4, of course. If I then raise that to the half, I end up with 2. 27 to the 1/3. Well, let's think about 27, something with a power of 3. 3 to the 3rd is the same as 27. So 3 times 1/3 is going to be 1. So 27 to the 1/3 is not 1. 27 to the 1/3 is 3. Another way to say this is the cube root of 27 is 3. The square root of 4 is 2. Thinking about 32 to the 1/5, well, 2 to the 5th is 32, so 32 to the 1/5 is just 2, or the 5th root of 32. So, exponents of the form a to the 1 over n, that's the same as the nth root of a. So 100 to the half, square root of 100, which is 10. 64 to the 1/3, cube root of 64, which is 4. And what I'm really thinking about in my head is what to the 3rd power is 64? So 4 to the 3rd to the 1/3, that's just 4. Negative 27 to the 1/3, cube root negative 27. No problem with the negative, that's negative 3. 81 to the negative 1/4. 1 over 81 to the positive 1/4. Notice this didn't switch. The negative made my base go into the denominator. That's going to be 1 over 4th root of 81. 1/3. Negative is on the outside, negative in the exponent. So negative on the outside stays there. This exponent being negative takes it to the denominator. 4 to the 1/2, that's the square root of 4, negative 1/2. I've got the square root of 16 because this negative is going to bring it up top. So 16 to the 1/2, let's write it this way, 16 to the 1/2, that's the square root of 16, which is 4. So there's the first part of rational exponents.